Hey guys, happy rain came to beautiful Southern Oaks. So my orchard is very happy, very nice. Lots of fruit trees and dragon fruits getting nice and beautiful rain right now. Look how pretty. For a few days, okay, we'll get chance to work a little bit on marketing and looking forward to see you guys on Sunday. And we have still continued beautiful sale with self-pollinating varieties, American Beauty, Sugar Dragon, and Yellow Palora, shipping to all California residents, $111 special price. And you guys gonna be really happy because they're growing very fast already. New branches appear on the Sugar Dragon, I can see, and that's gonna be sign of possibility of flowers and fruit this year. Okay, so looking forward. Wish you all the best. Please visit our orchard. Alik 323-547-1273. Ciao, ciao.